Hey everyone, Matthew of Mr. Domestic here to do another fabric haul! Like for real y'all, I was behind on doing these and so like y'all are gonna get a bunch of this kind of video. So I hope y'all like fabric because if you do, this is the video for you. I'm gonna go over 4 art gallery fabrics collections with some music, less talking, more fabric, ooh la la. Let's get going. Before you come to the party with me, though, thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay.
I have to see fabric.
Okay.
Okay.
So this one right here is called Trouvaille, or Trouvaille. It's an AGF Studio one. Okay, and then I have this one, and it's by a new art gallery fabrics designer. Her name is Basemi, and I cut into this because I did a giveaway. So you're only seeing fat quarters, but you still get to see it, and it's not like pretty iron. But this collection is boss. I really love it. Like, you'll see. And so this one right here is Bonnie Christine's Her and History. Love the play on words. Love the collection. Then here is the final one, and I accidentally kept a panel from Pacha, so this is included in here, but this one is, it's like a ceramic. what is it called? Terrakotta. This one's called Terrakotta, and it's super duper fly. And then the panel that I accidentally kept. Helena wants some pillows, so I'll just surprise show you that in a second. So Terrakotta by AGF Studio. Do you like it when I do different voices?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, let's go ahead and show you the Pacha panel. This goes with it. That's why I kept it, because I want to make something with this. But if you win it in the giveaway, I'm okay with that too. But here's the panel. This is so cute. It says, Helena said I need to make her a no drama llama pillow. That's awesome. Born to be wild. I love it. So that one's mine. No one gets to win that panel. Sorry about it. And now I'll go through the fabrics. So, yay. I hope all y'all like my fabric haul. This was super dope. I love all of the fabrics, and I'm sure that y'all did too. If you had a favorite collection, make sure that you put it in the comments below, because there's a giveaway! Yay! Yay! First thing, you just have to be subscribed to my channel. It'd be weird if you weren't, for me to give you fabric, like we don't know each other and stuff. So that's the first part. And then tell me which collection you want in the comments below, and I'll pick a winner when it says in the description. I don't know the date, what even day today is. Actually, I do know what today is. Today is October 11th. And October 11th is National Coming Out Day, which is an important day to celebrate, because for those who are not within the LGBTQIA+ community, it's not anything you have to think about disclosing your sexuality, disclosing your gender, but for us, it's a moment of stress, for sure. So if you are at that place in your life where you're considering coming out, it's the next step in your journey, you need someone to come out to, this is a safe place. I get emails and DMs all of the time, and if you want that person to be me, I'm honored, and I will hold your secret. But of all things, trust your gut. You'll know. You'll know when it's right, especially right now. And just do what you need to do for yourself until you become an adult, you get on the other side, and there will be people waiting for you. Because I have my chosen family, and they provide me with unconditional love. When I was younger, I was scared. Came out when I was 17, but I was scared to come out. But there were people there that loved me and showed me unconditional support, and they may not be the people who you think that they will be, but there are always people around, right? So just be on the lookout. I call them my living angels, the ones that always guided me in the right direction and showed me that there is unconditional love and joy out there. So if I need to be that for you, please, I would be honored to do so. So happy National Coming Out Day to everyone within the LGBTQIA+ community. On that note, keep it positive. Mr. Domestic out.